Hey guys, it's Ben back once again. Gonna open some 84 Topps packs. This was my box from the baseball card exchange .com, and let's see what we get. And we got a George Brett right on top of the first pack. That's pretty sweet. Got a few spots on it, but still cool card right from the get-go. Kelly Paris, Mel Hall. Got a favorite player of mine back when I was a kid is Dale Murphy. Set that one out for sure. Of course, you know we're looking for a Mattingly rookie or two would be nice. Steve at the baseball card exchange really gave me excellent deal, and I guess that George Brett was it the wax card. Yeah, it's got some wax on it. Wasn't thinking about that. My first card out of the gate is gonna be the wax card as well as Tom Seaver, Steve Carlton. So our good cards are at the door, at the front door there. There's a Cal Ripken card there, leaders or something like that. Let's see. Always like these cards. I never have opened any of them. I think the first year I started opening my own cards and buying some was probably 86 Topps. So this is the first time for me. Gonna open the whole box probably in the gum stuck to the back one here. That's not too bad. Pat Sheridan, that's okay. Really just looking for stars, Hall of Famers, stuff like that. Here's one with Joe Morgan. Stolen base leaders. That's basically what we're looking for. I'll go back through these just stars, Hall of Famers. Hopefully we get something nice enough to submit to PSA. Another pack here. Went to a card show this weekend. It's actually Sunday night. It may be a few days before I get these videos up. And got some nice graded cards. I'll try to show those for too long. Let's see here. Not hitting on too much thus far in this pack. Yeah, really no major players in that package. Gum's been stuck to a couple of these, but not all of them. Here's a Dale Murphy All-Star. Probably keep that one for my collection there for sure. So that's two Dale Murphy cards. There's Ken Griffey Sr. And on to another pack. I'm kind of slow opening these up, so I'd rather just open a few at a time, so I'm in not such quite a big hurry. Take my time looking at them. Not hitting a whole lot here so far. Fun box to open though. For the price, I can't remember off the top of my head what it cost, but way cheaper than modern stuff. So, you know, it's cool to open something this old. Well, it's a leader's card, but nobody too special on there. Some of these look sort of, the colors don't look too hot on them. Mookie Wilson. All cool. Wade Boggs. That's a cool card. The off center. So let's see. We got a couple good, nice cards there. The Boggs. No major, super good players. There's Willie Randolph. Ron Kittle. Last pack here. 84s. Don't forget, guys. Check out the Baseball Card Exchange's website. I'll try to Sparky Anderson. I will do my best to put a link below. And one of my favorite players as a kid as well, Gary Carter. Unfortunately, he passed away recently. Oh, sweet. Dave Winfield. Another good player. Dave Concepcion. And that looks to be it in this box. Those packs, guys. You can see I still got a long ways to go, and I'll try to get another video up of these soon. Thanks for watching, guys.